Okay, Nico, answer these questions as fast as possible.
Okay.
What's the Comedy Central show where you make fun of celebrities?
A roast.
What's another word for brag?
Boast.
And what goes in a toaster?
Toast.
Ha! No, bread goes in a toaster, freaking loser.
That's not fair. It's tricky. It's not like there's a good word for something that makes bread.
Looks like somebody doesn't know about the magical world of bread making. Stay tuned to find out more.
Are you telling me to stay tuned? I'm right here in the episode right now. I'm not a viewer.
And your part here is done. It's time to unbox this. What's up, guys? I'm Devin Howard, on Instagram as @DevinHoward and on TikTok as @DevinMHoward. Welcome back to another episode of Unbox This. Today we're getting into the Rosewill Bread Maker. This nifty device gives you fresh, homemade bread in a few super simple steps. All you need to do is fill it with your ingredients, including any fruit or nuts you want dispensed, set your preferences, and walk away. In no time at all, you'll have delicious, freshly baked bread. I am obsessed with bread, so to me, this sounds incredible. I can practically smell the sourdough baking, so let's get this out of the box. It's time to unbox this. All right, let's get this out. I truly am obsessed with bread. For me, it's like dangerous to have some sourdough in my apartment because I find an excuse to eat it all the time. I have no self-control, so I actually don't buy bread that often because it's just not a good idea. I will literally eat it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and snacks. Okay, the first thing out of the box is just a little warning that says there may be residual lubricating oil on the bread pan. Please clean it up before use. I assume a lot of you guys, or hopefully all of you, would have cleaned this before using it anyway. All right, so we have the user manual right here for your 2-pound bread maker. All right, here is the bread maker. Pretty cool that you can just put ingredients in here, set it, and forget it. It's a small kitchen device, like this isn't massive or anything. You could probably fit it in a cupboard, or if you wanted to leave it out, it wouldn't take up too much counter space. And yeah, it just comes with everything that you need to create some delicious homemade bread. You guys remember in quarantine when everybody was baking bread for the first time? I never got into that, but if I had this, I probably would have given it a shot. So here we have your automatic fruit and nut dispenser. If you're making some cinnamon raisin bread, this is what you would use to put those raisins in. This is a measuring cup. Here we have a measuring spoon with both a tablespoon and a teaspoon. And these are your hooks for mixing your bread. All right, you guys, that's everything that comes in the box. So let's clear off the table. We'll get into the details about this because I know you guys are dying for some homemade bread. Here's what you need to know about this programmable bread maker. First, it can make 2-pound loaves. That would last me 2 whole days. Kidding, of course. 2 pounds could last you quite a while. Well, there are also 12 digital presets to choose from based on what kind of bread you're making. You can choose between basic, French, whole wheat, sweet, gluten-free, or rapid bake bread. The automatic fruit and nut dispenser right here is triggered automatically, of course, and will be evenly dispersed throughout your bread. You can also choose your crust style, light, medium, and dark. Personally, I think a good medium crust is absolutely perfect. With a 13-hour programmable delay timer, you can prepare your ingredients, place them in the bread maker, and set the exact time you want the machine to work its magic. And then if you need to check in on your bread while it's cooking, the top viewing window right here makes that easy. All of the accessories, including the measuring cup and spoon, the hook, kneading blade, and non-stick bread pan, are dishwasher safe and easy to clean. The Rosewill Bread Maker takes the complexity out of bread making. If you want to add one of these to your kitchen setup, click the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I'm Devin Howard. Thanks for watching. We just unboxed this. Bye, guys.